Say in life more time you have to know what you do. Cause what goes around comes around. So you know say something named karma. Yo! The games they play with like we cheat, the distractions I repeat. I rub with the night with it. To what we be and the shit we pull up them style on it. Everything was so discreet where you have to enter whatever but do nobody else not see it. Me can't reveal all of the things that when me do to you. You're good to me, me not good to you. I look on the things me put you through. But it's a one with me and you. No.
So make we have a little informal interview as me show you around. So have you ever worked with baby before, and how long have you been doing this job, and what age group babies you work with?
A long time. Me I do them kind of work here. Me have enough experience, and the people that want me work with always like me.
Oh, you didn't say which age group babies you work with.
Me take care of baby from them just born to teenager.
Okay, that's good. And that will work perfectly fine for me because I am a manager of a top corporation and the baby will be with you most of the time. So I need somebody who is very experienced and know how to take care of baby for long hours. As me said, the baby is gonna be with you for most of the time.
Me no mean to pry, mama. But when did you adopt the baby?
What do you mean? When did I adopt the baby? The baby is mine. I had my baby a few days ago. I don't understand your question. I am sorry. It's my baby. I just had my baby a few days ago. I didn't adopt a child.
Sorry, mama. It's just that you have no sign that you were pregnant or just have a baby.
Mom, do you want the job or not? You seem to be asking the wrong question. You should be asking me question about what the baby eat and the formula and the room and everything. You're asking me about telling me how I look. It's not every mother that's pregnant pop down themselves. I take care of myself. You are here to do a job and not to ask me questions.
Hi, what is a handsome man like you doing in the hospital?
I am just a man who got caught up in an unfortunate situation.
That seems like an interesting story. Do you mind sharing?
There is nothing much to share. I got robbed and beat up downtown by some so-called bad men.
Really? What did they rob from you?
$100,000. The boy them just take my money like I feed them.
Wow. You a money man. Walking around with so much money. But that no safe.
You know, say it was nothing like that. My girlfriend just gave me the money. Boy, me not even know if me fi call her that.
Why? Although me wish you didn't have a girlfriend. But continue with the story. What did your girlfriend do?
Can we talk about something else? So what a pretty girl doing in the hospital? What's wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me. I just came to visit a friend. But enough about me. Tell me about the robbery.
As I was saying, some boy robbed me. And yesterday I see my girlfriend and one of them attack outside.
Really? You sure about it? Why would she be talking with him? That sounds suspicious.
Well, as me say, it not look too good. Me I go investigate it, and if she have anything to do with it, she is a dead bitch.
Did you register the baby in Bingy name?
Of course. Me not playing with Bingy. Me need him to come sign the birth paper.
My father, you are register Oliver in a Bingy name. Him just have to deal with it.
You know what? Let me call him.
Hello, Natasha. What you want?
Bingy, me and Keisha have your baby and we are get discharged from the hospital today.
So what you want me to do about that?
Bingy, you are run from your responsibility. But I the wrong woman you play with. You need to come sign the birth paper, sir.
Listen to me good. I know the last time me go say this. Me no want you put the babies in my name. A matter of fact, me want a DNA. Me know you fucky Natasha. And Keisha did a fuck more man for me.
We him say Natasha.
He must say we fucky, so him want a DNA.
The boy if you do DNA pan Susie Pitney them. None of them no favor you.
Bingy, sign the birth paper or Susie I gonna know about your dirty secret.
Go and go tell her. Remember say her phone a dirty secret too. Come on from my phone.
Me not care what Bingy want say. A fee baby. The two little man when me give little sex to. That no count. Me know none of them breed me. Look on the amount of hair my son have. I must Bingy baby. Not true, Keisha?
Well, me just fuck one little man too. But me no know a bingy baby. The no fear alone tell me say I feel him baby.
Him could have bad blood. Me not doing no DNA test.
It's good to be home. The worst food for eat a hospital food.
Yeah, man, me glad you're home. Hospital and a place where you want be, especially down a KPH. No, sir. You don't want to down this too long. Hospital food tastes like say they might treat you like say you have diabetes or something. But I want to help you out. You're gonna need a lot of help because you know if you have a young baby, not just easy. So welcome to Mother World.
Do you know why you alone may have to help me?
Well, I guess me have to put on my spikes and run from yard to yard like and helping out like me and Usain Bolt cause Natasha and nobody will help her too. So I guess me have to go back to Natasha, back to you. But me I gonna do it still. Although me think say you know a pussy only twine still. But me not gonna make feel like say me still like me I go helping out and show what true friend is like.
Lord Susie, the baby name Oliver Jane Stewart. See nothing there to hide.
Oh, that's a nice last name. So, when me I go meet this Mr. Stewart here? That's a nice name. What's your name? Oliver Jane Stewart? Wow, that's a nice name.
Susie, please don't push it. You want to know everybody?
Alright, Keisha. Me have to go leave now. Remember, me have Natasha in my car. So, make me bring her home and then me I go boil some soup and carry kongi you and nar. So maybe just run home go do that and feed me pitney them. Maybe say me have my pitney them too, and bingy. So me go home go feed everybody. Me I go boil the soup and bring it back kongi, alright? Hey Nats, the food ready, the soup ready. How is the baby? But the thing is that it just carry Keisha soup go gear and Bingy gone out a road. I mean have nobody to stay with the kids them. So me I go send your soup with one taxi man come give you here.
Oh, he's such a sweetheart. I can't put him down. Him have the biggest smile. Oh.
I know how you feel. Me know you feel as somebody feel too when me have my first one. But yeah, if you go put him down, cause if you don't learn to put him down, you go have problem. You go become bally, and you can't go left him with nobody. So you have to go learn if you put him down sometimes.
I know, but me just love his little face.
Natasha, you didn't hear what me say earlier. Me say me I go send one taxi man come with your soup.
What? Me think you come help me out.
Matter of fact, him leave out already now, so me think he soon reach you. He supposed to soon reach you by now, cause me give me super liquor one now. Me tell him say, me want you get it when it hot.
Me hear a car blow outside. Why not make so much noise with him old hand?
Yeah, man, check, that must be him, cause me tell her say, me give me soup and tell him if he can't come give. But he kinda reach fast though, so, put on your baby, no better carry baby go to night cold. Put on your baby and go and go take his soup, and run go take his soup from him.
Alright, girl. My hunger bad.